Financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly. Because you know these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel. Because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. Everybody is asking me what I think about Jay Claver's claim that XRP can hit $100,000 by 2030. That's only 5 years away. Okay? And some people say that it's impossible. Some people say it can't happen. Some people say Jay Claver is just talking out the side of his neck. And people are asking me my opinion on it. First of all, here's the thing. You guys know by now, if you watch my videos, that I don't think XRP has a ceiling. Okay? I do not think XRP has a ceiling. I also believe that XRP has to trade at a lot higher price than it is now in order for it to be more efficient. And the higher price that XRP goes, the more efficient it becomes, especially when it comes to cross-border money transfers. Okay? Now, I am not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. You have to do your own DD and come to your own conclusion and decide if XRP is good for your portfolio or good for your investment strategy. But here's the thing. Can XRP hit 100,000 by 2030? It's possible. I think it's possible. Is it probable? Probably not. It's probably not probable, but it is definitely possible in my opinion. And here's why. XRP, we know, is being totally suppressed now. There's no way with all the positive catalysts going on with XRP that it shouldn't have surpassed all-time highs by now. But for the manipulation, XRP would probably be trading over $10, in my opinion. And this is just my opinion. Okay? Here's the other thing. Swift is going away of the dinosaurs. It's going away of the horse and buggy. And XRP and systems similar to XRP are going to replace it. Because nobody is going to spend $20,000 or $30,000 to send $1 million overseas that's going to take 2, 3, or 4 days to clear when they can send the same $1 million using XRP and it clears in seconds and it costs them 20 cents. So if you have a choice between spending 20 cents and $20,000 for the same money transfer, the 20 cents using XRP is a no-brainer. Okay? That's a no-brainer. And if XRP just takes over 10% of Swift volume, and I believe by 2030, they're probably going to have 90% of it, if not more, then who knows how high XRP is going to be? Then they're already tokenizing real-world assets on the XRP ledger. The treasuries, that's just the beginning. You're going to see real estate. You're going to see gold, silver, bonds, treasuries, maybe vehicles. They're all going to be on the XRP ledger. And every time you tokenize it, you're going to burn up XRP as gas fees. And in any fair, transparent market, when the demand is up and the supply is dwindling, the price has to increase. And the XRP spot ETFs, guys, I think Canary Capital is supposed to go live on the 13th, maybe the 14th. You have Franklin Templeton. They're going to go live probably around the 20th. And there's no doubt in my mind that BlackRock, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and Vanguard will be placing their XRP spot ETF request with the SEC. And once their 20-day window is up, their XRP spot ETFs are gonna go live also. And when that happens, the institutional money is gonna be crazy. Now, on top of all that, we got Ripple Prime acting as prime broker, a global prime broker for a whole lot of companies. You think they're going to go with some fly-by-night company, or they're going to go with XRP, who has built the trust and the rails in over the last 10 years all around the globe? And when they use Ripple Prime, they're going to use XRP as gas fees. And then you have G Treasury. You have Palisades with the crypto wallets. Guys, can XRP hit 100,000 by 2030? Yes. In my opinion, it is definitely possible. Is it probable? Probably not probable. But would I be surprised if it happened? No, I would not. Because there are too many positive catalysts with XRP. And if these bad actors aren't able to manipulate XRP down, the price of XRP could reach anything in the next 5 years in 2030 if everything falls in line. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think if everything falls into place, can XRP hit $100,000 in 2030? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.